Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your HSA documentation with Lively, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your HSA documentation with Lively, visit the official Lively website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Documents or HSA Documents. Click on this section to access your stored documents. Review the list of documents to ensure you have all necessary files. If you need to upload new documents, look for the Upload button. Select the button to begin the upload process. Choose the files you wish to back up from your computer. Ensure each file is clearly labeled for easy identification. After selecting your files, confirm the upload by clicking Open or Upload. Once the upload is complete, check the document. Verify that the new documents are visible and correctly labeled. For extra security, consider downloading a copy of important documents to your device. To do this, click on the document you wish to download. Select the download option, typically represented by a downward arrow. Save the document to a reliable location on your device. Periodically review and update your HSA documentation as needed. Make sure to delete any outdated or unnecessary files to keep your records organized. Remember to regularly back up your documentation to avoid losing any important information. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your HSA documentation is safe and easily accessible and lively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.